Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, lived a cheerful girl named Sarah and her mom. Sarah loved weekends because that meant spending time with her mom doing fun things like going to the park, baking cookies and playing board games. One sunny Saturday morning, as they were sitting in the kitchen, Sarah's mom had a special idea. "Sarah," said her mom with a smile, "today we are going to learn about something very important. Managing money." Sarah tilted her head, her curiosity piqued. "But how do we do that, Mom?" Her mom gestured towards the colorful coins and bills on the kitchen table. "See these coins and bills? This is money. We use it to buy things we need and want, but it's essential to know how to use it wisely. That's where a budget comes in." Sarah looked puzzled. "What's a budget, Mom?" "A budget is like a plan for our money," her mom explained patiently. "It helps us decide how much to save, how much to spend, and how much to share. Let's create a simple budget for our weekend activities." Together they made a list of things they wanted to do: going to the movies, buying ingredients for cookies, and visiting the nearby zoo. Sarah's mom helped her understand the costs of each activity. Then they decided how much money to allocate for each one. "Now, Sarah," her mom said, "we have $50 for the weekend. Let's divide it according to our plan." Sarah thought hard and started counting on her fingers. If the movies cost $15 and the zoo is $20, that's $35. So we have $15 left for cookies. Her mom smiled, impressed with Sarah's quick math skills. "Exactly. Now we stick to our plan. If we spend too much at the movies, we won't have enough for the zoo and cookies. So we have to make choices and spend wisely." Throughout the weekend, Sarah and her mom followed their budget. They enjoyed the movie, had a fantastic time at the zoo, and baked delicious cookies together. Sarah learned that by planning and making choices, they could do everything they wanted without overspending. As they counted their remaining money on Sunday evening, Sarah grinned. "Mom, this budget thing is pretty cool. We can have fun and still have money left." Her mom hugged her and nodded. "That's right, Sarah, managing money wisely helps us enjoy life and be prepared for the future. And remember, it's essential to save a little too for special things or unexpected surprises." From that day on, Sarah and her mom made budgeting a fun and regular part of their lives. As Sarah grew older, she carried this valuable lesson with her, always remembering the sunny weekend when she learned how to manage money with her mom by her side. And so in their little town, Sarah became known as the girl who knew how to make every coin count. All thanks to the wise lessons she had learned from her mom